We're gonna make the yum dim sum now.
And it's gonna be the signature way, guys. Not just the normal way, the signature way.
You know we have to put our own little touch on it.
Little twist to it. Yes?
Alright, so let's get you guys hungry.
Let's head to it, guys.
So you're gonna need chili oil, the anchovy or the shrimp one that is nice and crispy. You can go for either one or you can mix them both. That's what we do. And then you need a light soy sauce,
Sesame seeds, coriander, spring onions, obviously the dumplings. So we have the superior prawn dumplings here, and we have vegetable gyoza there.
You need a steamer. We've got the oriental one, and you basically buy a stand with it. You need a serving dish and
chopsticks. Not that I can use it very well. So guys, you want to first toast your sesame seeds. So in it goes.
In just a dry pan. Toast them up until they're sort of golden brown. As you can see, it's already happening. A nice fragrance comes out, and then you know it's ready.
So if you're going to be using an oriental steamer in a clean pan, just add in some boiling water.
Yeah, make sure you heat it up in a kettle first because you don't want to be waiting for the water to boil.
And then the stand.
And then sit your steamer on top of the stand.
Just like so.
There you go.
So these are the crystal prawn dumplings and these are the vegetable gyozas. And then in we go with the lid.
Touch of oil.
Remove the gyozas and pop them into another pan.
You want to crisp these up. Gyozas come out best crispy. Crystal prawns will remain steamed.
Once one side is done, you just turn it over like so. As you can see, nice and crispy.
As soon as it looks like this,
in it goes to the bowl.
Now onto the steamer. Here we go. Prawn.
Just be very, very delicate with these, guys. You just want to pop it onto the serving dish.
Be careful when you're taking it apart because sometimes it gets stuck. Really, you're supposed to put this sheet on so it doesn't stick, but we've run out. So. And
we completely forgot to pick it up today.
Completely forgot today. So yeah, voila. So we don't want to cool it down. So
which is why we're going to start with the garnishing first. So in we go with the spring onions.
Yeah.
Coriander.
The soy.
The light soy.
So you can drizzle it. Your preference, we like it nice and juicy.
We like it saucy. The crispy anchovy chili. We went for the anchovy today. So then you just chuck that on top. Again, you need to go in with however much you
can
like.
have only this one. It's crispy, but it's not as hot. So what we do is we add the standard one as well.
So this is a standard one. And we like it nice and oily. So yes, and we like it very spicy, as you can see.
This is when we're having a bit of an unhealthy day.
And that's it. And then we go in with, last but not least, we go in with the sesame seeds. Whoa! We like a lot of it, don't we?
Yeah.
So there we are.
Keep pouring, that's cool.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's how much we like.
And then go ahead, give it a bit of a mix, get all the juices blended in.
All the flavours,
yeah.
all over
mix
the place.
it all up, get the chili. Yeah,
and
mouth
guys,
is already watering.
How good does that look? And that's it.
So that's the gyoza done.
Now we're going to head on to the steamed dumplings. So you do exactly the same.
This one's the more chewy, soft, crystal dumplings.
Whereas the gyoza's more fried, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's fried and it's crunchy, isn't it?
Yes, with all that crisp all around it.
Hope you guys can see that. So this is the crispy gyozas.
And here we have the crystal dumpling steamed only. So
that's the prawns and this is the veg.
Yeah. Taste time. Let's go for it. All right.
Hang on. Hang on, you're going too fast.
All in one go. My one had the perfect succulent chew to it.
And my one is so nice and
even
crispy. Oh.
Even these bits here, like the anchovies, the coriander, the sesame seed, spring onion, you can just pick it up like this and just have it on its own.
This is so delicious.
So
So guys, we had to pause there for a second. I had to go grab some napkins.
This gets
I'm
messy.
such a messy eater.
No, do you know what it is?
Stop.
This actually gets messy as well. You can't eat this clean.
No, you have to have it like
dirty.
this. So dirty, but so delicious.
Yes, as I was telling them, basically it's got that nice soft chew to it because it's been perfectly steamed, the dumplings.
And my one has a nice crisp on it, but still so soft and delicate on the inside.
Because it's been fried after halfway steamed.
So delicious, guys. And the sauce, the actual sauce, so with the chili oil and the soy sauce, it's just a right combo together. It's just, it has two different flavours all together, isn't it? With the anchovies as well.
You've got like the refreshing taste of the coriander, the sweetness of the spring onion, and then you've got the sesame seeds that just give it that nice volume.
And the spring onion, guys, is so nice and sweet. So it's not as sweet as the normal onions, but spring onions.
You've got to try this yourself. There's no point in us telling you anymore.
Exactly. I need to take another grab.
Yeah.
I need to take another bite.
Let's tell them how to have it. You get your chopsticks, punch a hole in it, so you can let the juices just flow in there. The juices, just let them fall in and just flow in there. You know, it's like a... And then...
I have no words to describe this feeling right now. It's so delicious, guys. So...
Let's show them the prawn. I'm going to take out a prawn from inside of the crystal dumpling.
This is so delicious.
Have a look at that. Look how big that is. Oh, wow. Camera's not zooming. Look at that.
Oh my god, is that just a prawn on its own and there's no dumpling around it?
No dumpling around it.
That is
Let's show them a bit of the
good,
juice.
Guys.
Have a look at the juice.
Oh, that is huge.
Can they see the juice?
Yeah, can you see the juice?
Can you see the juice?
Can you see the juice in mine?
Just that perfect saltiness from the soy.
So delicious.
And that chili oil. The kick of that. It's like a massive party going on here. And
this is so good, guys.
Just all types of flavours in your mouth.
I'm enjoying mine so much, guys. I've just like literally...
Has prefers the gyoza more. I prefer the dumplings more.
To be honest, I do like the dumplings. I do like the dumplings, but I love the crisp. I love the crisp of the gyozas. It's just... Oh. And by the way, guys, if you guys wonder why did RJ have 4 pieces on his plate, because 2 of those pieces he ate before we even came on camera.
I had to. You have to have it when it comes out piping. So I had to have it straight away. Just to be sure if the texture was perfect or not. Alright, that was for you guys. Just to make sure you get that perfect texture.
It's so easy to make, guys. You've seen it now. It takes literally 5 minutes just to chop everything up, steam this, because it doesn't take long at all. Literally in 5 minutes from frozen, it's done, guys. So guys, we are back with seconds.
We will show you guys some healthy options, you know, when we get into like the fitness side of things. But for now, you guys have got to see the deliciousness out there.
Can you hear the crunch? I can hear that. It's so delicious, guys. Guys, I'm going to focus on it now, just so you can see it.
It's too close, probably.
Can you see that?
See that?
Oh.
You see that?
Is it focusing?
These are the flavours that make the dumplings. It's that time again to have that conversation again with the food. Because that food puts you in the mood.
Definitely for us. Okay guys, we're going to be off now. We're going to enjoy our film and relax for the rest of the evening.
One sec.
Hope you guys...
This is the crucial bit. Very important bit.
I need to go in. I need to go into his plate, guys. I need to do this right now.
Until next time, we're going to go and watch Baywatch. You guys don't only watch the Bay in our mouth. Go to Wing Yip and have a Wing Yippy day with our recipe.
Yes, guys. See you later.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye-bye.